welcome to my review of the Athena zentai bodysuit by Amoresy. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful and informative. This is my first suit by Amoresy. I got mine in black in size XXXL or triple extra large. Let's start with the fabric. It is 75% nylon and 25% spandex. It feels silky and smooth. It gives off a good shine in photos, videos, and of course in person. It is more on the thin side and conforms to the shape of your body. When you take it out of the package, it will appear super small. Sizing. Sizes run from medium all the way to triple extra large. For example, if you normally wear large, consider sizing up to extra large. For the men watching, you may have to size up 2 sizes. I'm normally a large and am wearing a triple extra large. If you want a good fit, size up 1. If you want more room, then consider sizing up 2 sizes. Getting into one of the Athena suits does require a bit of patience and time. You have to ease your body into it, starting with your feet, then legs, and then pull all the way to your chest, then slide your arms into the arm slots. Zipping up can be a hit or miss for some. Please exercise caution with the zipper as it can break easily. Zipping up. There are different ways to zip up just in case the zipper sticks. Consider using a small amount of silicone on the zipper to make it slide easier on the track. The next method is to grab both sides of the suit with your non-dominant hand. Then with your dominant hand, pull the zipper up. The next method is using a string such as shoelace or, like me, a standard lanyard. Whichever one you use, please be careful and not to pull too hard as the zipper will for sure break off. Grab both sides of the suit in the shoulder area with your free hand. Zip up. You may have to angle your body a bit and slowly pull up. Once you feel the zipper moving along the track, keep pulling, and it should zip up assuming you did everything correctly. Taking care of your suit. Neatly fold it and keep it hung up or in a plastic container or bag. The package comes in a silicone plastic bag, so you may use it as well. Cleaning. It's best to hand wash. Do not air it. Do not dry clean. Do not bleach. Do not apply chemicals, and water does not exceed 30 degrees Celsius. Hang the suit to dry it. The suits are ideal for anyone, men, women, non-binary, etc. Ideal for costumes, relaxation, meditation, working out, going for brisk walks, and even just for lounging around at home. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have enjoyed my video.